And I like how you use the words like education and awareness, because for all of you out there that are listening, there's so many similarities from the get-go of you beginning your hunt for what's probably going to be one of the biggest investments you ever make. So you know the price range of houses to look at. Your agent knows the price range of houses to show you, and locations. But here's the key. When you get that number that you can afford, but what happens when you find that home that, as we like to say, needs some new life breathed into it, or it could use a little bit of love, and it's asking 400,000. Okay. This is the question that I had when I first was looking for a home. So my agent is like, well, this home needs a lot of work. It can't even get a loan. Myth and misconception number one, and we're going to blend stuff in there because they should show it because you can get a loan. Okay. Number two, I'm a buyer and I walk into that home and I have no idea where to start in terms of thinking, do I have the money for the project? And how much are they going to cost? So watch how we put these two together. If I can afford $500,000 on paper, and if this home is asking for the difference, which in that case is 100,000, is money I can use to go ahead and put in a new kitchen or a new bathroom or new flooring. Maybe it's on well and septic in it, or what you fill in the blank, whatever it is. How many agents there would now show properties they may not never have considered because now they know you can get a loan? Now you do. So when the clients walk in there, they're like, wow, it's almost like having a gift card. And then number three, all you do is put those numbers together. So as you were saying before, like with the combination,